Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so this is collectives. All signs, no zodiac sign needed. Okay, so kahit anong zodiac mo, pwede kang manood ng collectives. Pero ang requirement, ang requirement natin is dapat ikaw ay naka-follow and naka-subscribe if ever you're in YouTube. Okay, you're watching sa YouTube. Anyway, so yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa atin pong mga item. Okay? So, yung item natin is yan, charms. Okay? So, protection from evil eye. Yes, meron tayo ring, necklace, and bracelets, no? So, bracelets and necklace. So, yes. Yan yung mga magpo-protect, no? Sa ating frequency, sa ating mga minamanifest. So, yeah, magandang may ganito para kung sakali, yes, hindi mo nga alam kung sino ba yung mga nagbibigay sa iyo ng evil eye, nagbabato, no, maprotektahan mo pa rin yung sarili mo. Okay, some of you, may chance, ini-evil eye mo sarili mo. Yeah, hindi mo alam. Anyway, so, 2-in-1, love and money bracelet. So, ito yung may citrine. Okay, so, ito yun, citrine natin. Yan. Oo, so ito pa. So, anyway, so this is for love and money. So, citrine, stones, known yan for, money magnet. Okay? Citrine is for business, mga ganyang abundance, yan, mga ganyang bagay, no? So, yun ang kanyang mga namamagnet na energy. So, best of both worlds, no, yung ating love and money. So, pagsasamahin na natin dito sa iisang bracelet. Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo siya, pwede mo namang siyang ilagay sa isang red pouch. Okay? And dalhin mo everywhere, anywhere you go. Parang ganyan. So, again, yung ating granter, taga-grant lang ng mga minamanifest mo. And yes, sabi ko kanina, kailangan pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo. Okay, sa pamamagitan ng evil eye protection. Yan din na nagpo-protect sa inyong mga manifestations. Okay, so kapag ginarant na niya, yes, ginrant, no, yung inyong mga binamanifest, 100% buo. Hindi na sabutahe, hindi na bawasan. Okay, ganun lamang kasimple. No, so this is made to order po, yung granter necklace natin. This is not tarnished, hypoallergenic. This is 2 years na, okay, sa akin. And syempre, yung ating pang-alis at pang-taboy, MALAS. Okay, pang-alis alat. Yan po, ha. So, kung may tanong pa, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Wag sa comment section. Please lang. Ang dami ko nakikita sa comment. Hindi po kami sasagot sa comment. Okay, tingnan natin all signs. Let's start. Reading starts at 3:53. Oo, sa mga nakikinig dyan, timestamp na lang sa comment. Okay. Anyway, thank you sa gagawa. So, all signs, this is in general and the person on your mind reading. Okay, so ano bang meron in general this July? Okay, sa mga hindi pa nailalabas yung kanilang mga zodiac sign, kasi parang nagawa ko pa lang is Aries hanggang Aries Taurus yan. So, pwede kang makinig dito. Tumatalo ng iyong mga baraha. Oo. So, let's see in general what's for our collectives ngayong July. Anong energy ngayong July? Page of Pentacles in reverse and the moon in reversed. Meron ditong somebody na pwedeng magbibigay ng kalungkutan. I'm sorry, pero I have to say it. Somebody or a situation na magbibigay sa'yo ng kalungkutan. Pero hindi naman pag-i-stayan. Okay? It's like lalagpas lang. Yeah, the Empress. So, kanina nakita natin to Empress. Anyway, so, sabihin natin a challenge ngayong July. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko rito, para magkaroon ng pagbabago, para magkaroon ng improvement, progress, if ever, in general. Okay? So, a surprise visit, I think, some of you. A surprise visit. May chance na pwedeng bibisitahin ka ng magulang mo, nanay mo, tatay mo, kung kayo ay magkakalayo sa ngayon. Okay, that's specific, not for all. What else? This July for our collectives. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. May magbabayad. I-claim mo na. Oo, may mga bababayaran this July. Okay. Eto. All signs. I don't know. Some of you, ayaw mo na nitong energy na to eh. May makipagbalikan. Oo. Could be an earth sign, water sign, or a Gemini. Naloko natawa nung nakita ko to sa ilalim. Okay? May hingi ng sorry sa'yo, ex mo, ngayong July. Unexpected. Yeah, unexpected. Somebody wanting or wants another chance with you this July. Yes. Alam mong rason? Ang rason is pwedeng they see you as somebody who is, sabihin nating, nasa higher frequency in general. Okay? Para kang isang bulaklak, no? Para sa isang bubuyog. Parang ganon. Anyway. So, may lalaki pong bulaklak. Oo. Ano ba sa tingin mo ang bulaklak, no, para sa lalaki? Oo, sa mga lalaki. Ano ang bulaklak ng mga lalaki? 'Di ba? Comment down below. Madaming bulaklak no. Pagdating sa mga pwedeng rose, daisy, 'di ba? Ano bang bulaklak para sa mga lalaki? Santan. Ano daw? Oo, so hindi ko alam bakit ganon. Okay. So, yes, may makikipag-ayos, may makikipagbalikan. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. If ever, dyan sa pakikipagbalikan na yan. The Knight of Cups in reversed. So, andyan yung energy na pwedeng, hindi lang sila totally, itong dahilan hindi totally okay sa love, and they see you as somebody na pwedeng you're their best option. Some of you, the Queen of Wands is here, the Star in reversed. Magkokos pa rin ito ng hindi magagandang energy sa'yo kung pagbibigyan mo. So, wag na. Oo. So, yes, may idea tayo na pwedeng may makipagbalikan, gawing gabay. No? Kung sa tingin ninyo, hindi naman na pwede or wala ka ng trust dun sa person, so wag na. Okay? So, what else? For our collectives, okay, the Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. So, this is occasion, getting together, family, relatives. Some of you, you'll be invited sa isang occasion, I think. Let's see, what's with this Ten of Cups? The King of Wands in reverse. Anong meron dito? Some of you, you're in a connection na pwedeng ang person mo is a cheater. So, anong meron? Anong mangyayari? Or talagang nakapag-loko sa'yo? Anong mangyayari? Anong outcome? The Five of Cups. There's regrets. I don't know. Okay? Pwedeng may mangyaring separation. Yeah. With this fire sign or a Sagittarius, water. Okay? So, I'm hearing distant. I'm hearing avoidant. Parang ganyan. Releasing. Parang ganyan, no? So, yeah, the Magician. If ever na magagawa mo yon, you're opening your frequency or your energy sa mas magaganda pa or higher frequencies. Okay? So, somebody will regret. Eventually. Somebody. Yeah, separation. Some of you, pwedeng ito ay magkakaroon ng usapang legal. May mga usapang legal dyan. Okay? So, magkakaroon na. Some of you, kung meron kang mga hinihintay na resulta, annulment, divorce, whatsoever, yeah, nakikita ko na pwedeng ikaw yung papanigan. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa iyong person. The person on your mind, all signs. Who is that? Who is this? The person on your mind. Let's see. This is for July. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Opo. Huwag tayong tamad din. Mag-like. So, all signs. The person on your mind. Who is this? Titingnan lang natin yung energy niya. Okay. Ngayong July. Who is this? The Five of Swords. Somebody's giving you mixed signals. Okay, this person, the Five of Swords, you're conflicted, I guess. They're giving you stress. Some of you, they're an overthinker. What's with this Five of Swords? The Queen of Wands. Somebody na sabihin nating nakagawa ng mali sa'yo. Okay, pero hindi siya yung parang magpapatalo na parang ako lang yung may mali, ikaw rin. Parang ganun eh. No? So, I think, meron ako nakikita rito kung sino man itong nakagawa ng mali sa'yo. Could be a Libra or an air sign. Sabihin nating, naririnig ko yung word na hindi pa daw kayo tapos. Okay? Wait for my revenge. Parang may ganun ako naririnig eh. Wait for my revenge. Or sabihin natin, hahanapan kita ng butas para hindi lang ako ang may mali. I'm channeling. Okay, I'm channeling. So, yeah. See, the Sun in reverse. Just be ready. Okay, just be ready. This person, hindi pa to tapos sa'yo. Hindi pa tapos. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Be careful po, ha? Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng itong taong to is lalapit. Kunyari, makikipag-ayos. Pero, I don't see them na pwedeng green flag. Nakikitaan ko lang sila na okay, meron silang gagawin sa'yo or makikipag-reconnect, I think. Pero hahanapan ka lang ng butas. I don't know. Some of you, you have this legal matter sa kanya. Okay, may legal matter kayo nitong taong to. Yeah. So, be careful. Okay? So, yeah, the Two of Swords. You have to avoid them. Or sabihin natin, hindi mo kailangan maging open. Hindi mo kailangan maging open dito. Ano bang emosyon niya? Anong emosyon nito sa'yo? All signs. Yeah, the Five of Wands. And the Six of Wands. The Six of Pentacles and the Six of Wands in reversed. And the Ace of Wands. So, you have here two aces. Okay? Baka mamaya mapagkamalan mo na makikipag-ayos kasi pwedeng ang entry na yan sa'yo ay makikipag-ayos, pero hindi. Be careful. Just be careful. They will throw you mind games. Mind games. You don't need mind games. You don't need stress. Okay? Yeah, mind games. Two of Wands. So, be careful. So, who else? Sino pa ba tong taong nasa isip mo? Okay. Let's see. Who else? Ang liit ng ating tarot, no? Ang cute. Okay. So, let's see. Who else you're thinking? All signs. So, the person on your mind. Another message. Another energy. All signs. Who is this person? 10 of Cups. May chance na meron kayong anak, nagkaroon kayo ng family nitong taong to, I think. Or you want long-term connection with this person. Let's see. What's with a 10 of Cups? Oh. So, third party. Could be third party or could be separation. Ito yung taong akala mo magpapasaya sa'yo. Ang aga. Akala mo ito yung taong magpapasaya sa'yo. Pero hindi pala. Okay. This is one-sided. So, ayokong gawing specific. Nagbigay lang sa'yo itong taong to ng sadness, pain, sa connection. Okay? So, ano kailangan mong malaman this time? Anong kailangan malaman? Okay. So, we have 2. The King of Pentacles. Some of you, kailangan mong ikaw ay may sariling pinagkukunan. Okay? Kailangan mo raw mayroon kang sariling pinagkukunan, pera. Yes. Kailangan mo maging ready. Be the King of Pentacles. Yeah, and the Empress. Just be ready pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Kung nasa separation kayo, pinapakita dito at pinapaalam sa'yo na yeah, there's progress. Kahit ikaw ay mag-isa na lang or kayo-kayo na lang ng iyong mga anak. There's progress. There's drama here. At yeah, sa paganda naman, the 6 of Swords. Mas makakapag-isip ka kasi okay? Kung wala ito. Sa totoo lang po. Okay, yes, masakit. Kasi syempre, naging parte yan ng buhay mo. Sino man yan. Pero, mas magiging magaan. Sa totoo lang. Mas mararamdaman mo yung kagaanan kapag wala itong taong to. Okay? Mas makakapag-focus ka. Let's see, what is their emotion right now for you? The Ace of Wands. Wanting a second chance. Wanting. Pagbibigyan mo ba? What's this Ace of Wands? Para saan yung pakikipagbalikan? Pakikipag-ayos. Wala nang natanggap. Wala na pong natanggap sa kanya, you know, 10 of Swords. Wala nang natanggap sa kanya. Alam nila na ikaw lang yung open for them. See, the Fool. May takot na rin tong taong to kung bakit, yeah, takot ang dahilan kung bakit gusto na rin niyang bumalik or makipag-ayos sa'yo. That's all. Okay? Some of you, mas kaya mo na wala to. Mas nagiging okay ka nang wala siya. Sa totoo lang. Hindi po ba? Iba sa atin. Iba sa inyo. Yeah. 7 of Wands is here as the advice. If you need to avoid them, if you need to say no, hindi naman masama. Okay? Having limits. Setting up boundaries. Healthy boundaries. Okay? Ayaw natin to. The 9 of Swords and the Ace of Cups in reverse. Let them know kung anong sinayang nila. Let them know. Okay? Start clean. Yeah, start fresh. So, yeah. Realizations. So, let's see. Okay, all signs. Aries through Pisces for your collectives. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, pag makikinig kayo ng collective or yeah, all signs ko, dapat kayo ay naka-follow. Para makuha ko ang inyong energy. Okay? Requirement ko lang yan. Simple requirement. Okay. Aries. Feeling niya na backstab ka or na backstab mo siya. Something like that. This is ending. Totally feeling defeated. Taurus. No energy of reconciliation. May chance na dito somebody is cheating. Gemini, a waste of time. Cancer, they want to be with you. They want to be near you. Leo, they're watching you. Lalo na if you're in separation. Yeah, they're really watching you like a hawk. So, Virgo, they're manifesting you. They're manifesting a reconciliation. They're manifesting a communication. Libra, separation. I'm seeing and hearing separation with a Libra. Scorpio, okay, they're like longing for you, craving, aching for you. So they need you. They're sad. Sagittarius, they want to talk. They want to communicate. Capricorn, they're moving on. Aquarius, I'm hearing unexpected return. Some of you, this is just like an energy of makeup sex. Okay, this is an energy of in and out. So, a waste of time if ever. Pisces, they want to contact you. They want to reach out. They want to tell you something. Yeah. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs / collective. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating second YouTube channel nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.